I was expecting Georgia Tech to hand Pitt a serious butt whooping, kick their cans all over the field for the better part of it. If Georgia Tech did do that, they would have clinched a spot in the ACC title game because they only had one loss along with SMU, Virginia, and Pitt. That means Pitt would have two along with the U and Duke. And GT will be waiting either SMU or Virginia. But now that GT has two losses in the ACC, that put them in a tough situation. And it also opened the door for the U. I would like to see the U in the game. And if the U was not in the game for the ACC championship game, my next pick would be GT because they're closer to the U than any of the other teams. Although Virginia is in the South. But I was not too pleased with Georgia Tech performance today. It looks like every time they put some gas into the fire, Pitt had an answer. And I was like, are you kidding me, man? You got to be flipping kidding me. No way.